Hi, I'm gonna show you my new slime I made by myself for the first time. I was so happy I made my first slime. So it's really bubbly in here. Weird. Okay, so it's really satisfying because every time when I poke it, it always makes the sound. Okay. You hear that? Okay, so I'm gonna try to make it. Oh, I made one. Okay, what's that there? Okay, I'm gonna try to make a bigger one. It won't work. It's pretty sticky. Really sticky a little. It's not clear. It's not fluffy slime. It's not anything like that. It's just a regular slime, but clear. And then I add a contact solution, and yeah. It's so sticky. So this video will be a little bit shorter, but yeah. So satisfying. Okay. It always melts when I do the twirl, so that's why I do it as fast as I can. It's plop plop. It melts really fast. Oh, yeah. It sticks to me so much. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty nice to have this type of slime because it's a different type of slime I never had. It's not crunchy. It's not too much. It's not too less. It's just the right one. And I never had a blue slime before. So, yeah. Look at that. So clear. Oh, my hair almost got stuck in it. So, I'm about to end this video, so, I hope you like it. Subscribe down below, and, subscribe, comment down below. Still, if you want me to put Play-Doh into slime. I still haven't think about it, and I'm gonna buy some Play-Doh. Like down below. Try to. Let's go try to get to 1,000 likes. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Bye.